Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the certification of completion Odoo module developed by Openinside. When a service is purchased, the order may be delivered by the vendor in different phases, allowing the payments to be processed in several stages. A certificate of completion is issued by the client, indicating that the service, or a portion of it, has been delivered at a specific phase, in full compliance with the contract's specifications and conditions. The COC document enables payments to be made incrementally to the vendors as the project progresses. With this module, payments can be made at each delivery phase according to the service provided, and the related vendor bill can be issued. Let's get started with our demo. To begin, open the COC module. All existing COC records can be viewed here. To issue a new certificate of completion, click the New button. Select the relevant purchase order. The table will then be generated automatically. The item quantity is the ordered quantity pulled from the purchase order line. The processed quantity is the cumulative quantity from the previous received COCs. The received quantity will be filled after receiving products or services. In the draft stage, a vendor bill field can be selected if the vendor bill is already issued. If not, after confirming the record, a draft bill will be generated automatically. Odoo calculates the amount due for the current project stage, leaving the remaining amount open until the full service or product delivery is completed. The bill details should be reviewed to ensure all necessary information is accurate. Alternatively, a certificate of completion can be created directly from the purchase module by following these steps. First, open the purchase module. Create a new RFQ. Select the vendor. And select the product. In the Other Information tab, the Certificate of Completion field can be found. Select the Yes option to enable Certificate of Completion for the specific purchase order. Then confirm the RFQ to convert it into a purchase order. At this point, the COC Smart button will appear. In this scenario, we will create a vendor bill before creating the COC to show how the COC can be linked with the issued bill. Click on the COC Smart button to create a new certificate of completion. Purchase order field is automatically filled. Set the received quantity. In the draft stage, the vendor bill related to the purchase order will be selected. Finally, confirm the COC. This feature allows the certificate of completion to be directly created from the purchase order. And there you have it. You've reached the end of our tutorial on how to create and process certificates of completion to manage progress payments using the Certification of Completion module developed by Openinside. We hope this tutorial has offered a comprehensive guide on how to benefit from this powerful tool effectively. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more of Openinside's Odoo module tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you, and see you in our next video.
We know what we do.